Back to another video. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited that my new all clad pots and pans have arrived. This is how you know that you have entered grown woman luxury when you are so excited about buying pots and pans. I wanted to get none other than the best, and I went back and forth on what is the best pots and pans to get, and hands down it seems like a lot of people's favorites to cook with is the all clad, so I had to go with that. I do love that all clad comes with a lifetime warranty, so that is amazing. I'm definitely going to make sure that I register my items with them because it is a limited lifetime warranty, so I want to make sure I go ahead and do that. I also love that their pots and pans, well, the ones that I have now, are oven safe up to 450 degrees. I don't really cook anything past 400, so that works out perfectly. I do love the nonstick pro pan that I have. It is a 10-inch. It is sleek stainless steel, and I love the handle on this. It's very long lasting. It is easy release for nonstick, and it is high quality. I do love that it is reinforced with ceramic particles for easy release, and it is scratch resistant. Everything that I have is nonstick when it comes to cooking, so I do cook with silicone or wood, so that's great. Even for my Le Creuset I got rid of anything that is metal, so I do not cook with that, so that is not going to be a problem at all, especially with keeping everything scratch free. I do also love that they do have the anti-warp induction base for efficient use, and that is really important to me because these are a pretty penny, but instead of keep going back every couple of years buying pots and pans, especially if you cook a lot, which I do cook like 2 or 3 times a day, so it was time for me to invest into something better. So I have no problem with the price. They do have some pricier options and some more affordable options, so make sure you guys check their website if you want to know what other ones they have. For my pots and pans, I have the essential pots and pans. The pots. These are the essential ones. They have so many different ones on their website, so you guys can check it out. Our pots that we have are, I think they're like a medium and a large, I would say. They're not really small, so I would say it's a medium and a large one, which is perfect. It was definitely time for me to get new ones, so I threw out all of my other ones that I had, and these are the only ones that I have. I will probably be buying some more in the future, maybe a different, like the same brand, but maybe a different type, because they do have some new like stainless steel ones, so I wanted to check out. So I may just do like a smaller, like a saucepan later on. And I do love that these are easy cleanup and dishwasher safe, and the candles are very sturdy, and these are heavy. Like, I don't know if you guys know that or not, but these are heavy. This is about, I think, oh my god, I think the total for the pan was probably 2 pounds or something like that, but it is very durable and very sturdy. It is comfortable for lifting and pouring out your juices, your liquids, all of that. So I do love that about it as well. I'm so excited about this. If you guys aren't already, make sure you guys subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below if you have all clad or what other kinds of cooking items you have, or what's your favorite items to cook with. And I will see you guys in the next one.